One of the biggest drags on profitability in every shop I have ever talked with is things that slip through the cracks, little details that are actually really important that cause huge firefights later. Whether it's missing an important spec on a quote, whether it's not realizing you don't have the correct revision of a drawing when you're doing order entry, or maybe when you're going to set up a machine, you don't have the right end mill, or you're missing a critical thread gauge. You have to scramble to figure out a solution. All of these little problems can cause huge impacts to profitability. And there's a relatively simple solution. Checklists can be an incredibly effective tool and a very lightweight and cost-effective tool to help solve those little problems that cause huge drags on profitability. So I just wrote a blog about this. Hopefully you take a few minutes to read it and you can take some ideas to implement and start doing things in your company to use checklists effectively to help boost your profitability. Thanks for watching and thanks for reading.